Ever felt like your projects are a tangled web of to-dos, deadlines, and, well, just plain chaos? Like trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle on a tightrope? Yeah, me too. We've all been there, right? The promise of perfect project management software, the allure of streamlined workflows, the dream of actually hitting those deadlines without pulling an all-nighter fueled by caffeine and sheer willpower. And then you stumble upon Asana, a name that pops up again and again. But then the real questions start swirling. How do you actually master it? Can you really unlock its full potential without breaking the bank? Specifically, is Asana Academy free? Because let's be real, we've all seen those free resources that suddenly hit you with a paywall halfway through, right? The bait and switch of the digital age. And when you're trying to manage a team or even just your own sanity, the last thing you need is another unexpected expense. So you're looking for answers. You're trying to figure out if Asana Academy is the key to unlocking the project management nirvana you've been craving. You're wondering if it's a treasure trove of free knowledge, or just another clever marketing ploy. And honestly, I get it, because I've been right where you are. Let's dive in, shall we? First, let's talk about Asana itself. It's a powerful project management platform. Think of it as a central hub for your team's work. Tasks, deadlines, communication, file sharing, it's all there. And for many, it's a game changer. But like any powerful tool, it takes some getting used to. That's where Asana Academy comes in. Now, what exactly is Asana Academy? It's Asana's dedicated learning platform designed to help users of all levels master the software. They offer a range of courses, tutorials, and resources. And here's the crucial part. They cover everything from the basics, like creating tasks and projects, to more advanced topics like automation and reporting. They want you to get the most out of their platform. You'll find beginner courses that walk you through the fundamentals, explaining the interface and key features. Then there are intermediate and advanced courses that delve deeper into specific functionalities and workflows. Think of it as a structured learning path, guiding you from Asana newbie to Asana ninja. For example, this course here, Asana Fundamentals, is perfect for those just starting out. It covers the core concepts and provides practical examples. You'll learn how to create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and collaborate with your team. And the best part? It's presented in a clear and concise manner, with videos and interactive exercises. Then, if you want to take things to the next level, you can explore courses on topics like advanced reporting or workflows and automation. These courses teach you how to leverage Asana's more powerful features to streamline your processes and gain valuable insights into your team's performance. So, the burning question, is it free? The answer is a resounding, mostly yes. A significant portion of Asana Academy's resources are available for free. The core courses, the tutorials, the foundational knowledge, it's all there, accessible to anyone with an Asana account. You can simply log in to your Asana account, navigate to the Academy, and start learning. There are no hidden fees or subscriptions required for the majority of the content. However, and this is important, there might be some specialized certifications or premium content that require a paid subscription. But for the vast majority of users, especially those looking to improve their basic and intermediate skills, Asana Academy provides a wealth of free resources. Now, why should you bother with Asana Academy? Well, for starters, it can save you a ton of time. Instead of fumbling around with the software and trying to figure things out on your own, you can learn from experts who have already mastered it. This means less frustration and more productivity. Structured learning. A clear path from beginner to advanced. Expert guidance. Learn from Asana specialists. Practical examples. Apply what you learn to real-world scenarios. Improved efficiency. Streamline your workflows and boost productivity. Enhance collaboration. Learn how to effectively collaborate with your team. Another major benefit is that Asana Academy helps you unlock the full potential of the software. Asana is a powerful tool, but many users only scratch the surface of its capabilities. By taking the courses, you can discover hidden features and advanced techniques that can significantly improve your project management. And don't just take my word for it. Many users have reported significant improvements in their productivity and team collaboration after completing Asana Academy courses. Now, some might argue that you can learn everything you need to know from YouTube tutorials or blog posts. While there's certainly a lot of valuable information out there, Asana Academy offers a structured and comprehensive learning experience. It's designed to guide you through the software systematically, ensuring that you don't miss any important concepts. To get the most out of Asana Academy, I recommend starting with the beginner courses and gradually working your way up. Take your time, practice the exercises, and don't be afraid to experiment with the software. And remember, the Asana community is a valuable resource. You can ask questions, share tips, and learn from other users. So, to recap, Asana Academy is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to master Asana. The majority of its content is free, providing a structured and comprehensive learning experience. It can save you time, improve your productivity, and unlock the full potential of the software. While there might be some premium content that requires a paid subscription, the free resources are more than enough for most users. Ultimately, whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting out, Asana Academy can help you take your skills to the next level. It's a valuable investment of your time, and it can significantly improve your project management workflows. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.